Welcome to Computers in the Workplace. This is Miss Galvez, and I'm going to be showing you how to create folders on your desktop and on your Google Drive. But first, let's get familiar with our desktop. So let's look at our icons on the left-hand side here. For this class, we will be using the internet browser known as Microsoft Edge right here. And I want you guys to get familiar with two other internet browsers as well, Firefox and Google Chrome. It's just good knowledge to have, but as I mentioned for this class, we are using Microsoft Edge. And let's go ahead and take a look in the center of our screen. So this is our desktop. So in this desktop area, you can go ahead and create folders. And in these folders is where you will store your documents. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So on your mouse, go ahead and right click and scroll down to where it says new and go all the way to where it says folder. So go ahead and click on that. Now we have a folder. We're going to go ahead and name it CIW, first name and last name initial. Once you have that, go ahead and press enter. And let's go ahead and double click on our folder. So now we are going to create secondary folders so that we can organize our work. So it's the same process. Let's go ahead and click on our right side of our mouse, scroll down to where it says new and folder. So right here, I want you to name this folder Excel projects. Okay, so now that we've created Excel projects, we're going to go ahead and create Word projects. So click on that, go ahead and scroll down to new folder, and let's name this one Word projects. So now we have two secondary folders within our main folder. So you could go ahead and exit out. So I want you to practice getting familiar with navigating through your folders. So go ahead and click on your main folder, do a double click, and we have our subfolders known as Excel projects and Word projects. So this is where you will store your documents and organize your documents, okay? So now go ahead and exit out. And now we are going to create our Google Drive folders. So go ahead, click on Microsoft Edge. This is our internet browser. And we are going to type in Gmail. So go ahead and click on the first one, Gmail, email from Google. And now you are going to go ahead and sign in with your email and your password. So once you've signed in, go ahead and scroll over to the waffle. This is where it will display all your Google apps. And I want you to click on Drive. Okay, once you enter Drive, we are going to create folders. So go ahead and click on new folder. And we are going to name this CIW. And then you are also going to put your first and last name. Okay, press create. Okay, now we have our folder in place. So go ahead and double click that. And now we are going to add secondary folders just how we did on our desktop. So go ahead and click new folder. And let's name this one Excel projects. Go ahead and press create and go ahead and press new one more time. New folder. Go ahead and type in Word projects. Go ahead and press create. So now we have created two subfolders within our main folder for our classroom. Once again, this is how you will be able to organize your documents and send me your classwork, okay? So your main folder will always be on your OneDrive. So go on My Drive and go ahead and double click on that. So every time you want to access your subfolders, just click on your main folder, okay? So that's how you will be able to find those. So let's go back on My Drive because I want you guys to share your entire folder with me. This will include the subfolders that you just made. So scroll over to the three dots and click on share. Go ahead and click on that. And where it says add people and groups, go ahead and type in my email, missgalvez0@gmail.com. Okay. And where it says message, go ahead and put your first and last name so that I could know who it is. Go ahead and send that to me. Okay. And it's very important that you send me your folder for grading purposes. Okay.